Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining. If you are new here, then welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a GHD hair tutorial. If you do want to see what I get up to in this video, please just keep watching. So this is my hair situation. So it's really straight, even just from the last time I've washed it, straightened it and left it for probably 2 days. And I have absolutely no frizz at all, and that was with the GHDs as well. So today I'm just going to be sectioning my hair, curling it and showing you the results that you can get with the GHDs Platinum Pluses. So with these ones, I've not curled my hair before with it. I'm just going to put some heat protection on, which is the Tresemme. I've only used this one to blow dry my hair really. I'm just going to actually pop a little bit on my hand and just run it through because I don't want to drench my hair with the spray. So I'm just strictly going to, I actually shouldn't have wore a black top, but anyway, I can't change it now, I'm in the video. So I'm just going to section my hair off and do a bottom layer first, quite a thick bottom layer, that much up from the head, and then put that in a clip. I'm just going to section them into 2 pieces, and it's quite thin actually, so I may be able to get away with not sectioning them again. The GHDs are on, and then I'm just going to hair with my hand. Which way? I'm going to straighten it away from me actually. Just put it at the top, wrap it round, hold, and then just let the hair glide through. I've actually got quite a nice, doesn't help because I'm wearing a black top. I should have thought this through. You can see the curl there, that's fine. I'm just going to continue on this side as well. So grab this section of hair also. The GHDs are up to 70% less breakage. It keeps my hair, hang on, how do I do that? Let's do that this way. 70% less breakage, which is amazing. So I've found that my hair's a lot smoother after. It holds straight for longer. There's no breakage. Well, I think it's 2 times more healthier. But it's definitely, I mean, look at that. Can you see that curl? I have no hairspray on as well. And look at the spring on that. I think I'm just going to do that the whole way round. I'm going to just let those sit back, forward actually, whilst I take the next section. It's the first time doing them with the straighteners. I've never really used a curling one, so I don't know what the GHD curler would be compared to the straighteners, but you have got a lot more flexibility with the round edges. And the plates are a lot rounded as well, so it gives a lot more of a curl shape, which is a lot nicer. With shorter hair you will get absolutely beautiful results as well with a curl, but on longer ones you can have it tighter to add some hairspray, or you can brush it out and have it nice and wavy. I'm simply just going to section this with my hands into 2 pieces. Just wrap that one. I think I'll try and tuck that in my top because I don't have another clip. And then again I'm going to do it the exact same way. I'm going to hold it at the root, pop it around, oh hang on, that's not how working is it, so get it at the root, hold it, and then just let it glide through. It really is no nagging on your hair or anything. Just gonna go through slowly. I think I'm going to try go over that one just again, one more time. Hold it round, My hair's held really well with it being straight as well, to be honest. And let that just follow through, that's so much better. You can see that my hair is a type 3B of a curl, so my hair is really tight as well. So for the straightness to hold it straight, see how much curl that I have, is amazing. Hold it close up to the root so I can get a really nice volume away from the skin, from the face, sorry, the skin. And then literally just wrap it round. I can't believe, and that's one stroke. That's what I'm saying. These are amazing. I know I've already done part 1 of it being straight, but this is part 2 of being curly. And if I just stand up for you and come a bit closer, you can see it's really holding the curls, which I cannot get over. I don't know what it's going to be like. I'm just going to let them set for a little bit. Go on to this side. Pop that in there. Not professional, I know, but I don't have another clip. And I can't stand it when I have a bobble. Again, I'm just going to do this section. Simply doing it with my fingers. If I brush it out, it just kind of ensures that there's no knots, but I can feel that there isn't any knots in my hair for it to disturb the curl. Again, I'm going to do it this way actually. Pop that in, up close to the root, make sure you don't burn yourself. Wrap the hair around. And then I'm just gliding the straighteners through. So I'm just going to finish off this section of the hair, and then I'll come back when I get to the top section of how I do my waves at the front. Right, so I've done the whole of my head at the back. I'm just going to go up to the top half now, which I'm going to undo. I am going to brush this bit through. As you can see, I'll come a little bit closer. The curls are really strong, and I will show you the back half. Just to show you how tight the curls are, I'm just going to brush this up, and then I'm going to section it. Back to get any knots out. I just bring these bits forward so I know how it falls. I'm simply just going to have it in the middle, and then I'm just going to get that bit, pop it around, or should I clip? I might clip that at the back, and then I'm just going to move on to the left side. Brush that. I'm going to just simply give it a little bit of root lift, add some volume to the curl, and then I'm just going to hold it gently and just pull it through softly, and then you get a nice curl. That'll do. It's so quick to do. I mean, I think this is recording 20 minutes now. I'm just going to come to the front of the hair. I'll brush that through one more time with the brush to make sure there's no knots. Then I'm going to do it away from my face. So just kind of get it in the grip, curl it around. Put the piece of hair over, and then just let it go through. I can wear my hair 3 types. I mean, I can have it super curly natural, straight, and these kind of curls. So I'm very blessed with my hair type, that I can have a lot of different styles. Right, so that side's more bouncy than this side, so I need to sort this out because it's obviously something that I'm doing wrong. These are so good. I 100% recommend them if you're going to get them. I purchased these from John Lewis. They were £189 and I got a gift with them. So that is the curls all done. I'm just going to turn them off now. And then I'm just going to place the heat protecting pad on top to make sure that they're super safe. So I'm just going to come up closer. Shall I zoom you in? I'll just come up closer actually. So you look like Goldilocks. So this is the curl not brushed out, and I'll turn around for you. Next I'm going to go in with the Smooth and Finish Serum by the GHD. And just add some shine to it. It's already really shiny, but one pump. And then just, this stuff smells so good. This was £21.50. I mean, look at them curls. Wow. And then I am going to brush this out. I mean, you can leave it if you want that kind of vibe. I'm not really into that kind of curly vibe. Next, I'm going to take my big GHD paddle brush. And then I'm just going to go from the roots and just brush it out and let it drop. And go through it probably 2 times. Play around with the curls, but amazing. Literally salon hair at home. GHD definitely do that for me. The curls are held really well. You just got to play around with it and how you like it. You probably could do Hollywood curls with them, maybe if you pinned it. I really like my hair like that, having it behind one ear. So that is the finished result of the GHD hair curl tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.